All right, so guys, congrats. I mean, if you're already this far and you're learning how to make these awesome GUIs, dude, I mean, I'm super proud of you guys. Most people will buy the course, they won't go through any of it, and I mean, to see that you guys are listening to this video and learning about GUI and stuff, awesome job, okay? So we're now like at that stage where, I mean, we've created some pretty nice GUIs, but they're not doing anything, right? We want something to happen. We want, actions to be performed. We have buttons, right? What is the whole purpose of buttons? To do an action. So how does that work in our Tkinter module? How do these functions get performed? How does this work? Well, that's what we're going to discuss in this lecture. So currently right now, I'm just going to go ahead and delete everything that we don't need. So that's pretty much all of our user sign-on module or code. And now what I want to do is talk about, well, how is this going to work? So another parameter of the button, okay? So let's go ahead, create a button one, set this equal to button, and go ahead, make it root, and just say text as click me. Text is equal to click me, okay? And you're gonna notice that right now there's nowhere saying that I want to perform a function, I want to perform a command. So there is one more, I'm not sure how many parameters there are to the button class, but another parameter is the function or the command parameter. And all the command parameter says, hey, do you want me to perform a function every single time this button is clicked? So obviously our answer is yes. I mean, yeah, that's the whole purpose of this lecture, to perform a function via our button. So before we even get started writing that function or naming it over here, let's go ahead and create it. And it's going to be def. What am I creating? Well, I just want to create a simple, just print out my name, okay? So print name, okay? Def print name takes in no parameters. And then what I want, well, I want it to just say print hello there Avinash. Alright, so there we go, def print name, print hello there Avinash. And now in our command parameter, just go ahead and say command is equal to print name. Okay, so again, it's a very basic command, it's a very basic function by itself, but I just want to show you how you can make things work, how you can perform a function via a button. So go ahead, Command S F5 and run this, and now hopefully we should have something pop up. Alright, let's take a look. No, there's not, and obviously you can see why. We haven't packed our button onto our screen. So button1.pack, again, that was my mistake. Command S F5, and now we should see things happening. So you won't be able to see my my shell, so let me just minimize that for you over here. We have my click me button. Fingers crossed, guys. Take a look. Pretty neat, huh? Hello there, Avinash. Yeah, I'm liking it too. So, awesome job. This lecture was just a very, very simple introduction to functions being performed in buttons, alright? And there's one more method to do this. I'm going to talk about it in the next lecture, but there's another method to do this, and that method is actually used quite heavily in gaming with this module, okay? So when we create games and stuff, we'll be using the second method more often, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you how it works.